Lots of ice in the seam here.
Keep it steady. We'll get a look once it's clear.
Rope secure on my side.
Good. Let's open a path around the nose.
Hear that? The ice is given. One more pull should do it.
Easy, we don't want the whole thing sliding.
Chain to the nose gear is coming tight.
I'll brace the block.
Kids, feed that rope through the loop. Yep, just like
Got
that.
it. Pulling it snug now.
Perfect, I'll tie it off.
Winch is rolling. Keep clear of the tail.
Nose chain secure. Ropes are locked. We are good to move.
All right, team. Sled's ready. Let's bring her down the hill.
Keep the line tight. Good steady pull.
Runners feel smooth here.
It's sliding easy. We're almost there.
Garage in sight. Stay straight on the trail.
Hold her steady. Who's first?
And that's it. She's inside.
Seams hold nice and flat.
Looks solid. Give it a file pass and we'll be done.
Wings are back to spec. Nose patched, tail sealed.
She's ready for the next chapter.
Look at that shine coming through.
Keep those circles small like that. Perfect.
Almost got the wheel clean, Dad.
You're doing great, buddy. Just a little more on that spoke.
Tail's starting to sparkle too. We're getting there. All right, team, step back. Let's see her now.
Beautiful.
This?
Perfect line. Keep the brush flat. Sprayer coming in behind you.
Got it. Look at that shine already.
Tape's off. Clean as a whistle.
We actually did it.
You two did it.
She looks brand new. Brake
Laps running smooth.
Keep the lamp right there.
Dome seated. Give it a quarter turn more. And done.
Look at those blades, huh?
Perfect alignment on the tail.
We're set.
That's a good looking bird. Ready for inspection.
There she goes. Yes, looking good. Lift it. She's airborne. Beautiful. She's climbing smooth. We did it. Great work, everyone.